Question of the day. For some natural number, n, assume that 15,000 factorial is divisible by n factorial factorial. The largest possible value of n is. So, to make it divisible, n factorial factorial should be less than or equal to 15,000 factorial. Now, for some time let's forget these two factorials. Now, the equation is n factorial is less than equal to 15,000.
Now, from the video of tips and tricks of factorial we can see that 7 factorial is 5040, which is less than 15,000, and 8 factorial is 40,320, which is greater than 15,000. As we all know that divisor should be shorter than dividend, so we will go with 7 factorial.
So, the largest possible value of n factorial is 7 factorial, which divides 15,000. Hence, we can say that 15,000 factorial is divisible by 7 factorial factorial, which is the largest possible value.
For more updates follow the FT World on Instagram and subscribe the FT World on YouTube.